Hello everyone. In this video we are going to discuss the excretory system of human being. In the earlier video we already have been discussed this human have a pair of kidney, and kidneys are the structural and functional unit of excretory system. The very first part of this is what is the structure of kidney or what are the functions of kidney. So basically we have two kidneys in human which are purplish brown in color like bean shaped. अगर हम इसकी डायमेंशन की बात करते हैं तो 12 सेंटीमीटर लेंथ, 6 सेंटीमीटर थिकनेस, और वेट की अगर हम बात करते हैं तो एक किडनी का जो वेट है वो लगभग 150 ग्राम्स होता है. किडनी का जो मेन फंक्शन है दैट इज द फिल्ट्रेशन ऑफ ब्लड टू एक्सक्रीट द मेटाबॉलिक वेस्ट विच में बिकम टॉक्सिक इफ नॉट फिल्टर्ड. फंक्शनल यूनिट ऑफ किडनी इज नेफ्रॉन. दोनों किडनी के पास लगभग 2 मिलियंस ऑफ नेफ्रॉन प्रेजेंट होते हैं और एक नेफ्रॉन की जो लेंथ है वो लगभग 3 सेंटीमीटर के करीब होती है. अदर देन द फिल्ट्रेशन ऑफ ब्लड, किडनी परफॉर्म सर्टेन अदर फंक्शंस विच आर लाइक osmoregulation, secretion of erythropoietin, enzyme renin, and conversion of inactive vitamin D into active form of vitamin D. Kidney filter about 190 liter of blood to produce 1 to 1.5 liter of urine per day. Then next is the structure of nephron. Here I am showing you the diagram of nephron. This is like this. In nephron, this cup-like structure is known as Bowman's capsule in the honor of a scientist named Bowman. Below this, a convoluted tubule is present. This is known as proximal convoluting tubules or PCT. Following this is thin loop of Henle. After this part of loop of Henle is thick in comparison to this one, and this is known as thick loop of Henle. Loop of Henle is followed by DCT. DCT stands for distal convoluting tubule, and this followed the collecting duct which passes urine through the renal veins. Then how blood filtration takes place in the nephron. So blood get entered via this afferent arteriole and leave the glomerulus. This vessels network is known as glomerulus, whereas this one blood vessel is known as efferent. Blood get entered via this and filtered due to the thin membrane of this Bowman capsule and glomerulus, and the filter get entered in here is known as glomerular filtrate. Rest of the blood passes through this vessel. Here, along with the waste material, many useful substances also passes down within the Bowman capsule. So these are reabsorbed during the movement towards this whole pathway. So major functions involved during this filtration are ultrafiltration that takes place during within the glomerulus and Bowman capsules. Then next one is selective reabsorption. During this process, the filtrate passing through this is reabsorbed. The essential molecules like the ions, the water molecules are reabsorbed. Third and most important is secretion of certain substances into filtrate. Many substances are get entered into this loop of Henle so that they can be excreted. Human urine contains 95% of water and 5% of nitrogenous waste. Per day urine excretion is 1 to 1.5 liter depending on the physiological condition of our kidneys. Next is excretion in plants. So plants doesn't require a very well developed excretory system as they are not so defined living organisms. They are the producers or stable in position. That's why they do not need a very well developed excretory system. Major waste products of plants are like CO2, O2 and water. Carbon dioxide and water are reabsorbed or reused during the process of photosynthesis, whereas oxygen inhibit the process of photosynthesis, and due to this, O2 is diffused out from the plant body into the environment. Next one is excess of salt, which are removed by hydrothodes during along with the guttation water. What is guttation water? So in the early morning we see the droplets of water over the leaves, and this is known as the guttation water. Next one is many breakdown products are recycled in the synthesis of metabolic products. During the process of photosynthesis, many products are reused. Next, most of the toxic waste products are stored